Hello, this is Professor Stephen Neshaba, and I'm going to give you a few pointers on building some other simple molecules in Spartan. So on our list, we've got nitrogen, CO2, methane, O2, and N2O. So I'm just going to kind of show you how to do these one at a time. For nitrogen, because it's just two atoms, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this icon right here and switch over to N. Now we're in the inorganic panel. Okay, so and then I'm going to click once over here. And now by default, the yellow means that it thinks that there's a hydrogen there, but I don't want there to be a hydrogen there, so I'm going to put a nitrogen there. Okay, so now we have N2, and you can go to your calculations and so forth. How about for CO2? Well, I can stay in the inorganic menu for this, but since the central atom is carbon, I'm going to do that. And I want to add an oxygen on either side, so I'm going to lay it out like that. Okay, so here we go. There's carbon, and now to add oxygens to it, I click on here to pick up oxygen, and I just want to have a simple bond to an oxygen, so I'm going to do click that X single, put one there, and now we got CO2. How about for methane? Well, actually, it turns out we can use the same inorganic menu. I happen to know that methane is a tetrahedral molecule, and if you don't, it would still have given you the right answer if you thought it was square planar, but this will get to the answer faster. Tetrahedral, there's oxygen. I want to make it carbon right there, and there we go. So there's methane. Again, those yellow guys mean that there's hydrogens there. And let's see, how about oxygen? Well, that's the same kind of thing as what we did for nitrogen. So, I could do an oxygen here and there. Okay, so there's O2. And finally, there's N2O. And to do N2O, I'm going to start off this way once again and put a nitrogen in the middle. Okay, so now that's nitrogen. I can put another nitrogen here and an oxygen here, but the nitrogen that I want to put up here is just a single bond to a nitrogen, so I'll do it that way. And I'm going to do the same thing down here, but make that an oxygen. So I'll go that way, and here we have N2O. Okay, those are my pointers for it.